Pwede din today is about October 11, no? So, near, no? At sa Pampanga Lantern, no? So, again, we're near the Christmas, yeah. So, here, no? Again, outside the road, no? And we say, for operation siya, o ayos siya, no? Nangutanal po dahil the owner, no? So, here, again, on the streets, unsa din nga street ko, Bambaling, no?
Bambaling.
So, again, here, Darwin Ergometer, no? Tambal nga dili tumaron, in which, no, nga, hapit na lagi Christmas, no? So, here, again, no? Here, no? So, again, it's Christmas time, yeah? Malagi na, here, no? Then, you can browse in here, yeah? The price is about affordable, there. Ikaw na game mo, anigo? Sarap po gano'y game mo, no? Again, thank you kay Gua. Malagi nung nga, Darwin Ergometer, no? Hopefully, by, may ito, nakakuha naman ta si, Vice Mayor Labilia, no? And then, may krama. Then, malagi, mas more fun here in Cebu because we have our airlines, no? Naamilante, gaon na daan, no? Invest today is about October pa. Again, there you are, yeah. So this is Mambaling, no? Road. Okay, and karon kadlawon is the Milo Marathon, no? Half marathon. Again, Artisatina po,